Hey guys, welcome to part 2. In this session we will add an image to our cell. We will also change the background color on it, so let's go ahead and get started. Go to beginningscell.h and under our IB outlet test, type in IB outlet UI image view, and I'll name mine image. Actually, my image, because image is already taken by Xcode. And then go under property, at property, non-atomic, retain, IB outlet, UI image view, my image. Okay, now go to beginningscell.m and type synthesize my image. Okay, now save that and go to Finder, or this is to import whatever image you have or you're going to use. I have a little A button that I'm going to use just for tutorial purposes. So I'm going to drag it into the resources folder and copy items into destination. Hit add, and now you see that the A button has been placed in the resource folder. So now go to beginning cell and look for an image view. So I'm just going to place it on the cell and resize it like so. I'm going to go to beginning cell and then the outlets and connect my image to my image view. And then I'm going to go to media and drag in this A button right there. And for mode, I'm going to do aspect fit, or aspect fit, and that'll get it the same size as it should be on the actual cell. Okay, just move my label over just a little bit and then save. Okay, now in root view controller right here under cell.test.text equals test, type in cell.myimage equals image, or no, actually just erase that for now, that's not needed for this one. And you should be able to go to build and run and see that image appear on all of those cells. And there it is. You don't need any other code except for the header file in beginningscell.h and .m, and there is your cell with all your images. Now, to show that this is truly custom, we can make the background color different than the standard white. Let's say we make it black for this tutorial. So let's go into beginningscell.xib again. Click the background. Make sure you're under the first tab, and let's just make it black. This will make the label disappear, so click the label and let's make the text white. So now that's white, just go to File and Save, build and run. And now, oh, I did the whole label. Okay, go to beginning cell, and instead of making the entire label white, just click the actual text in the label. Oh, I see what it is. Okay, the background for the label needs to be black, but the color should be white. So just click the text, click the white color, and there it'll make the entire label white. So now you have a black background and white text. And go ahead and save that, build and run. And there's your white label with your black background. So you can see how this is actually a truly custom cell. If you want to return more than 4, like say you want to fill out that entire view so you don't see any white cells, you could just simply type in return 10 and then build and run. And now you have much more labels to play around with. If you do not want this line in between, go to beginning cell, and then for the separator just simply choose none. And then for this, go to root view controller.xib. Mine is already open, but also once again for separator just choose none, and you'll see the lines disappear. Save, build and run, and now you no longer have the lines. So if you're wanting to create a more realistic app, like if you're doing a school app with a chalkboard or something, and you want the text to appear like it was written in chalk, you wouldn't use this font, but you would use, you could have a background with this, like with little squibbles and stuff like that. If you do want to use a schoolish font, then go to beginning cell, go to the label, and there should be font right here, and go to show fonts and make sure it's on the label. And if you want to actually use the font that is kind of squigglish, you've probably seen it in some other apps, it's actually the marker. Let me just type it in. It's actually marker felt thin, and it makes it look like this. If I save it and build it, you can see how it actually appears more squigglish. So you have your image, you have your label, you have your background, and the label color and the font. If you want to give this a title for in the navigation bar, just go to viewDidLoad on rootViewController.m and just uncomment this out and just simply type in self.title equals, I'm just going to put test. You can put whatever you want in this, and build and run. And now the top will have a title with whatever you've written. You can add as many of these cells as you want. You can place the labels wherever you want. I can move the picture here, I can move the label here, I can resize the label, make it smaller or bigger, however I want. It's a truly custom cell, and you can do whatever you want with it. As you can see now, the pictures are on the other side, the labels are here. You can add the separator back, you can change the background to any title you want. Pretty much you can do any customization you want with these. If you have any questions or want to go further in detail on how to customize anything else with these cells, you could just send me a message or comment below. Don't forget to rate, and if you like these videos, I'll be making many more. So just please comment, rate, and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.